Draw easy. Today, we are going to draw Oren Sprunki from Incredibox. Let's start by drawing its two cute eyes. Next, I will draw the shape of its head and add the earphones. Now, let's bring it to life by adding hair, eyebrows, and a big smile. Next, I will draw the band for the earphones and complete the drawing by sketching its body. To make the drawing stand out, I will go over the lines to make them bolder. Now, it's time to add some color. I will use orange for body and face. Light yellow for the earphone band. And red for the rest of the drawing. And there you have it, our Oren Sprunki drawing is complete. Hope you had fun drawing with me. See you in the next video.